We thought it would be super fun to cook together in our new kitchen. And we are leaving town, so we didn't want to buy all these groceries to have in our fridge that we won't use, that'll go bad when we're gone.
I'm excited to actually make something that's gonna be awesome that's not spaghetti.
You guys should know by now about HelloFresh because you guys know how much we love the service.
You get to pick from their menu each week, it's different. Best day of the week.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, we got aprons.
What meal do you want to make tonight? Hamburgers.
Burgers?
I really like hamburgers.
Is it working? We done good.
All right, we've got our HelloFresh taste testers.
Is it good?
This is really good.
I love the pasta. Cheers to good eats.
Do the dishes.
I want more soap.
Yeah, we'll get more soap.